YouTube, this is video about the Dell Inspiron 4558 that came to me as black screen. So it would turn on, the Dell logo would show up on the screen, it would start loading Windows 10 with the little circle, and then at the point where you should see the login screen, the screen would go black before even seeing the login screen. The backlight would still be on, and then the backlight goes off and the screen remains black. However, the laptop was still running, so I connected my external screen, verified that it was still running, no issues, and after that I went ahead diagnosing it. I actually checked the hard drive. The hard drive was fine. So first thing I went on the Dell website and downloaded the latest BIOS. So this is actually a critical update, but I checked it out. That's not related to the screen though. There's no mentioning that it would fix the screen. However, after applying this latest BIOS update, the screen came back alive, the internal, and that fixed the issue. So in case you have the same problem with your Dell Inspiron, this is an older model, like 2016 probably. Try the BIOS update. This might be related to other models, not just this one. So as a first step, before going deep into checking the motherboard and all that stuff, do the update, the BIOS update, and see if it's gonna help you, just like it helped here to resolve this problem for a customer. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps grow my channel, and have a lovely day. Bye guys.